You ready to run, Jordan?
Yeah.
You sure you're ready, man?
Yeah.
You feeling good?
Yeah.
Okay, today he's going to be using the Map My Run app. It tracks your running. And we'll see how he does.
Time.
Yes. You ready? Go when you're ready, bro. There he goes. You okay?
Okay.
How you doing, bro?
Good.
You need your heart rate tested, man?
Yeah.
That was a really long 1/10 of a mile you just ran, dude.
I know.
That was good. We're currently testing his heart rate.
200 heartbeats per minute.
Bro, you good?
No, I'm not feeling
Are you
so
good, man?
I'm feeling so good.
No?
No. No.
No? Are you feeling okay? Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow. Hey, wake up, buddy. Wake up, wake up. World of Warcraft, man. World of Warcraft. There you go. There you go. There you go. What do you feel? Are you feeling good?
Yeah.
You feeling good, man?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get down and we'll try this Runtastic push-up trainer. You ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay, first training it says is 10 push-ups in a minute.
10 push-ups, then go jump over the...
Yeah. You ready for this?
Probably not.
Okay. Training's where you
Let's
start.
get down.
Training's where you start. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then we're gonna be testing an exercise from FitList. Start jumping over them bike racks over there, man.
Okay.
It's a great exercise for vertical
And cardio.
and cardio. Does help with cardio.
Jump.
Put some thought into it, man. Let's go. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. You good?
Okay.
There we go.
10 sit-ups.
Now you gotta do 10 sit-ups. Back to the training from FitList.
Sit-ups.
Let's go. Come on, quick. Hurry, hurry.
Okay.
Get right there. Do 10 sit-ups. So,
He's
get on the
assaulting us. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get one last sprint in. Go all the way over to that electrical box.
The electrical box.
Run fast as you can, bro. What have you been? Yeah!